Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and others, welcome to the vlog. It's your boy, Louie Lou, and your girl, Sookie Sue. That was her theme music. So today we're going to do a quick review. It's actually something that can't hurt anybody. It's a kitchen product. And I know some of you guys want to know about my outfits. I pretty much have something on different every video. Must have a lot of clothes. And that's the reason why we do the reviews in the van, because my whole apartment's full of clothes. So with that said, let's go to the van. Bam! Bam. We're in the van. And we got some chips. We got some cheese. Uh-oh. Having a problem closing that cheese. And you know what? I really feel they should ban shredded cheese. Let's make America great again. So we have this box here, and let's take a look and see what's inside. Get a lot of use out of this knife. I thought this was worthless. It's worth something. And drum roll, please. Let's get rid of that packing. And there's a little box in the big box. And let's see what's inside of here. A USB cable. And a white blocky object. All right, well, I didn't think about it. It's probably not charged and probably won't work until I charge it. But this is a bag opener and sealer. And, oh yeah, lights on. So, man, shuck that box, although there might have been some instructions. It's pretty simple. There's a plus and a minus on there. And I'm pretty sure the minus is to open. So let's give it a try and see what happens. These are the Lay's Kettle Barbecue potato chips. And they're not paying me for that, so take that back. And yeah, open nicely. Let's have a chip. You want a chip? Sookie, you don't like potato chips? Come on. Come on, Sookie. All right, well, it opened well. And let's see how it closes. It's closing time. It did not close. Let's try it again. I knew Sookie wanted that chip. Oh, the light has to be on to close, not to open. All right, here we go. Oh, well, that was a fail. Just ripped the whole bag. That's not going to seal up. I had a kind of a rough end there. Let's just see for shits and giggles if this does work. Yeah, it's kind of does seal it up. I'm gonna try doing a fast fold screen on it and see if this works now. And once again, product's probably awesome. 9 out of 10 times. User error. Yeah, that melts it good. Let's see if I can get back past this part that's been torn. Not rip torn, just torn. And I'm happy with that. That really works. Just got to get used to it. make it work better. Um, Geez Louise, what else can I tell you? You guys might know that I'm diabetic and I cannot eat candy. Well, I can eat sugar-free candy, but I thought I would share with you guys today the candy bar song. And it goes a little something like this. Mrs. Hirsch and Mr. Goodbar went behind the powerhouse on Fifth Avenue. They had three musketeers and a baby Ruth, and all she could say was, "Oh, Henry, that was good and plenty." Not really a song, because I didn't really sing it. I just said it. Maybe a Bob Dylan song, but that's something I learned in elementary school. So I think this was like 12 bucks only. I'm not sure. You know me. I never do any of the research. But it melts it good. And actually, the cheese has a Ziploc. But I just wanted to say the joke about making America great again. And yeah, I'm happy with this. Oh, yeah, I think it was like 12 bucks. There's a picture.
When I bought it was 12, now it's like 14. But even more importantly, here's Sookie's theme music.
Something right there, hopefully. Ooh, wee! Oh, sorry. I sneezed like Roger Rabbit. Maybe that's going to get edited out. I don't know. I just let it roll. Let it roll, baby, roll all night long. All right. Well, it's a lot of fun, actually. It's like a Sela meal, pocket Sela meal. And I think I might have pressed the wrong button on that one. That, or if you just keep going over and over, it melts right through. That's hot in the city tonight. I think I got some etchu on me. All right. Well, enough is enough. And with that said, I'm going to put my shades back on. We're going to get out of here. And I'm going to give you guys a cowbunga and a palm to the cam.